Made with fresh green capsicum, this gravy-based curry is perfect for a simple dinner or lunch. Let's make capsicum masala. I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once heated, I am adding 3 onions cut into petals or simply larger pieces, 3 capsicums chopped. Saute the veggies for a couple of minutes on medium flame. Let's take them off. We will be adding these in the gravy in the end. To make the gravy base, in the remaining oil I am adding 2 roughly chopped onions, 4 tomatoes chopped, a pinch of salt here. You need not do fine chopping here since we will be putting this to grind in the next step. I will cover and cook this until the color of the onions turn translucent and tomatoes mushy. Let's check. They have softened up. Don't forget to cool this down before it goes to grind. Let's grind now. Onion and tomatoes have been ground into a paste. Time to cook the gravy. I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Adding into this half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Now switch off the gas and add 2 tablespoons of curd. Stir to combine. Now I am switching back the heat on and adding the gravy base we made from the onions and tomatoes. Mix well. Cover and let the gravy cook for half a minute on low flame. Time to add the veggies. Now I am adding the capsicum and the onions we sauteed in the beginning. Mix well. Lastly, half a teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. Stir this in. Let this cook for half a minute. Capsicum masala is ready. Serve this hot with roti and enjoy a restaurant-like curry right from the coziness of your home. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.